Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert an image in selection in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, I go to selection, quick selection or rectangle selections. Select this example. Okay. Then you can directly insert this area, or best way to insert Control Z. Okay. Or another create layer. This is best way for insert image. Okay, go to file, open image and select any image, drag, hold Control T. Okay, right click the layer, right click mouse, create clipping mask. Okay, now we can see this selected this image. Insert image in selection area. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.